All right, today we're going to show you how to adjust the seats in a fourth generation 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. This is a 2012. We'll show you how to move seats forward and back, how to remove them. There are many configurations, and it's very, very flexible. So a lot of different things you can do with this generation of the Honda Odyssey. Now the two seats on the side, if you want to get passengers in, all you do is grab this lever and then slide it forward. Another thing you can do is you can lift this and go that way. But I find it the easiest thing to do. You can just pull this lever, keep a hold of it, and then just slide it forward. Now you want to make sure that you secure it back and it locks, otherwise the seat will move back and forth. Now one thing that you can do to give you more leg space, or if the people in the back need more room, you can slide it forward and just make sure it connects, or then again you can move it back. So you can adjust this forward and back according to what leg space you need. To remove the seat, and the same application applies to both sides, you're just going to push this lever back, lift the seat up. Then you kind of have to, there are two brackets that you have to lift it out of, and so you just slide it back, and so once you get it out of the brackets, then you can just go ahead and there's a little bracket here you can grab a hold of to remove the seat. So to put the seat back in, you'll notice that you have this little groove right here, and that's going to fit into this bracket, and then you've got one on the other side. So you want to put the seat in back of that bracket, and then we're just going to go ahead and slide it in. So now we're just going to go ahead and slide the seat into the groove. You kind of have to lift it up. Once you get it into that groove, you just go ahead and set it down. And there you have it. Once you get the seats installed, you just want to do a visual check and make sure that the seats are in each one of the brackets. And you know, if you move them, try to move them around, you shouldn't have any movement. But you want to make sure that they're secure, that they're all the way in the bracket, and that way you'll be safe.